So let me ask you a question. What if you could get back, say, 5 hours every single week? Today, we're going to dive into a really powerful tool that can do just that by taking all those repetitive digital tasks off your plate. It's called n8n, and honestly, it might just change the way you work.
Does this whole scene sound familiar? You're constantly jumping between tabs. You're copying a name from a spreadsheet, you're pasting it to your CRM, then you're grabbing an email address and moving it over to your mailing list. It's this digital juggling act that, let's be real, we all do.
And it's not just boring work. It's a massive time sink. This endless cycle of copy, paste, download, upload. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that just drains your energy and pulls you away from the projects that actually matter.
And all that time really adds up. For a lot of folks, these little manual tasks can easily eat up 5 hours a week, sometimes more. That's over 250 hours a year. Just think about that. That's time spent on work that a machine could totally be doing for you. Imagine what you could do with all that time back.
So what's the solution? How do you break the cycle? Well, that brings us right to n8n. Think of it as your own personal automation engine, just waiting to take over all those tedious tasks for good.
So what exactly is n8n? Well, the easiest way to think about it is like the glue for all your apps. It's a tool that lets you connect all your different software, your email, spreadsheets, project management tools, you name it, and build these automated processes or workflows without having to write a bunch of complicated code.
But what really makes n8n stand out from the crowd? First off, it's open source, which is huge. That means it's built by a community and it's fundamentally free. And here's a big one. You get total control over your data. You can run it on your own servers or use their cloud service. With over 400 integrations and a super intuitive visual builder, it's incredibly powerful but also accessible. All this makes it super cost-effective, especially if you're running a ton of automations.
Okay, so you're probably wondering how this all works under the hood. Let's break down the basic building blocks. It's actually a lot simpler than you might think.
The very first concept you got to get is the node. The best analogy for a node is a digital Lego piece. Seriously, each one is a small, simple block that does one very specific thing, like read data from a Google Sheet, or send a new email, or create a task in Asana.
So you take those Lego pieces, those nodes, and you start connecting them together. And that connected sequence of nodes, that's what we call a workflow. The workflow is the whole instruction manual. It's the full process that tells your data exactly where to go and what to do, step by step.
Okay, let's make this real. Imagine a new email with an invoice lands in your inbox. That's your trigger. The first node in your workflow kicks in and grabs that attachment. The next node connects to Google Drive and saves it in your invoices folder. And then the final node sends you a quick message on Slack saying, hey, new invoice saved. And all of this happens instantly, automatically, without you lifting a finger.
And the possibilities here are just massive. You could automatically post to all your social media at once. You could keep your CRM and your spreadsheets perfectly in sync. You could even build little bots that monitor websites for changes or help you automate customer support. Pretty much any process where you're moving data from one app to another is a perfect candidate for automation.
All right, so n8n is clearly super powerful, but is it the right tool for you? Let's get real for a second and take an honest look at where it really shines and maybe where it has a few rough edges.
On the plus side, it's insanely cost-effective, especially for power users. You get complete control of your data, and it's super customizable. The community is also a huge plus. They're really active and helpful. Now, on the flip side, it definitely has a steeper learning curve than some other tools out there like Zapier. And if you want to self-host it for maximum privacy, you'll need to be a little bit tech-savvy. And some of its 400-plus integrations might not be quite as polished as what you'd find on some of the big paid platforms.
So who is this really for? Well, you're a great fit for n8n if you're a small business that's just desperate to save time. Or if you're a developer who wants to build really custom automations. It's perfect for anyone who's conscious about privacy, or maybe for someone who's just getting tired of those high monthly bills from other automation tools. So if you're sitting there thinking, yep, that sounds like me, then getting started is actually pretty straightforward. Let's look at the two main ways you can get up and running. So you've basically got two paths. The quickest way is to use n8n.cloud. That's their hosted version, and you can just sign up and start building workflows in minutes. Easy. The other option, for those who want full control, is to self-host it. If you're comfortable with tools like Docker, you can run n8n on your own servers for, ultimate privacy and customization.
The big takeaway here is that powerful automation isn't just for giant companies with huge budgets anymore.
Tools like n8n are making this stuff truly accessible to everyone, giving you the power to build a way more efficient business and, frankly, a more efficient life. So, I'll leave you with this question. As you go about your day today, just think about it. What's the first repetitive, soul-crushing, time-wasting task that pops into your head? Because chances are, you can automate it.